Web3 is built on second-generation cryptocurrencies, of which Ethereum is the most dominant. This is programmable money, which allows a user to read, write, and own anything in the digital world. First-generation cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin only allow for simple swaps like gold. However, second-generation cryptos can create and transfer any type of value you can think of through something called smart contracts. So this is just a diagram. I'll just explain it quickly. So the first web was like read only, right? You go onto wherever it is, Wikipedia, for example, and you go read a Wikipedia page. Web 2 was read and write. It's what we have now. So you can send an email or upload a YouTube video. You can actually write to the web. And Web 3 is read, write, and own. So not only can I upload my YouTube video, I can now tokenize that and own that. Is it like an example? You can't actually do that on YouTube, just FYI. So many of you already know this technology is not new. It was actually invented in 1976 at Stanford University. But following on from that, there was a sprinkling of digital currencies in the 90s and early 2000s, with Hashcash actually being one of the most successful pre-Bitcoin digital currencies. However, not too dissimilar to AI, which was invented in the 50s, the use case for public key cryptography to be used as a store of digital value did not reach widespread adoption until the invention of Bitcoin.